Well guys, we got a heck of a lineup behind us today. We got the Cummins, lifted Cummins. We got the new style Power Stroke. We got everybody chirping out today. Coming through around the bend behind us on this side. And we got it all going on. Send it, boy. We got this white one up the back. We are golden. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video. Dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. We're gonna start a new series where we do some product review for you guys. So today from Amazon, we have this ShopVac. We're really excited to have this on the wall so we can just pull in the garage, vacuum out our vehicles, and it's gonna be super sick, hopefully. We'll see how this thing goes. It should be pretty easy to set up, but we are gonna take you through the unboxing of this thing, and then we'll fast forward through the installation process and talk about it there at the end. So hang with us, guys. Thanks again. Also, t-shirt of the day. This is a Bradley Martin tank. It is hot and humid in here. Let's see if this thing sucks or not, guys. Careful. What is inside here? It says on here, if you can read this, what's it got? Cartridge filter, foam sleeve, 18-foot hose. Oh boy. Crevice tool, extension wands, gulper. It's got the gulper nozzle, the big gulp. 10-inch wet dry nozzle and the round brush. Let's open this up and see what we got. This guy's fighting me. 18 wheels of rolling, 18 feet of hose. Look at it, just goes on and on and on. Look at that, perf. Look, he's got it. This is the big thing here. Wow, look at that beaut. I'm gonna go right on the wall.
Let's keep this box.
And he wants the box. Come over here. That is a crisp filter. Oh, so clean, at least for now. It's got a little weight to it. Got a little weight to it, yeah. Little extension nozzles here. Oh.
Now it is heavy.
That's why it's heavy. And then it's got this one, more extendos. And then we got these here.
What's this?
Let's open this up.
What's this?
That's a foam that goes around the filter, I think. And then all the little odds and ends pieces that go with it too. Smaller size ones to get in different spaces. And look, this must be some sort of wall mount too, so we're gonna have to try to get this thing set up and see what it looks like. Packing everything in there, if you can see this, that's the little bristles, so we open that up. And look at that, look at that. The manual that we may or may not read. Gonna at least get it on the wall and then do some playing with it. It's about what you can expect when you open up the box. We've got all the contents out, dump, and everything's out. And now we gotta get in the garage and get this thing rolling. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about me. And voila, guys, check this out. That took all of about 7 minutes to install. Gosh, that was so easy. All we did was take a piece of board, put it between the two uprights, mount the vacuum itself off to one side, and then we mounted the accessory bracket on the other side. Just put some little odds and ends screws in there. Yeah, you know what's awesome? It came with hardware and I just used my own. But no harm, no foul. We can save these for another project. It's all good. But now that we got it hung up, it's time to plug this bad boy in and see what kind of action it's got. So let's get the Duramax in here and try to scoop up some crap. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's check it out. This is what we are replacing, this old Hoover. Geez, look at this thing. It barely even sucks anything anymore. It smells absolutely horrible. And yeah, it's junk. It don't even work, so it's done. Then we tried to buy this cheap Goodyear thing. I mean, this thing couldn't sweep nothing. It's like, I might as well have picked it by hand. This thing was absolute junk. Good thing these guys can make tires because they can't make vacuums. So that was an absolute fail. And then now it's time, guys, for the ShopVac. So here we go on a brand new 2022. Let's do a cold start on this ShopVac. Woo! Yeah, it's got power, baby. It's got some power. So yes, the power is set. Now look at the ring light. Ooh, we're gonna try to suck up some of this dirt in the old Duramax, but we need to find a head that we like. Let's try, this is like my favorite one probably, I don't know. We haven't tried any yet, but this tip, this angle tip, miter tip, whatever, is probably the best one I think that I've used. So let's try to hook this thing up and try to get an initial reaction on if this thing actually sucks or not. All right, guys, so yes, it absolutely does suck. I didn't want to bore you guys with the whole suction action, but I'm telling you, we have an Australian Shepherd pup. So when he gets in there, we get the hair flying everywhere. We're always off doing things, four-wheeling, tracking mud in and out, and it took everything. So super pumped that it actually does work. I know I said it sucks, but it sucks in a good way. So anyway, guys, I do recommend this product. It's super sick. We got it on Amazon. I think it was like 150 bucks, and it looks super professional in the garage here. So yeah, it took about 7 minutes of work to set up. Super convenient. Anybody can do it, obviously. And now we'll always have it to clean our vehicles, and it also comes off. You can carry it off and on. That way, if you do get water, this thing will pick up water. This thing will pick up sawdust for the projects we have coming, and just all kinds of things. So a huge upgrade to the garage. And yeah, super pumped about it. So we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go get you one of these and stay tuned for more content. Now that we're cleaning this truck, we do have some other things coming as well for product reviews. So subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Tori, and guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.